Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all are doing great with the blessings of Allah Almighty. This is me, Tyra Yaqub, and this is my YouTube channel, From Mistakes to Mastery. I created this YouTube channel for improving my own English skills. But from last 1 month to onward, I was uploading videos related to English, but I used to first select the topic, then search, and then I just create the video, record the video. But I did not get good response. I know it's a common thing, but being a human, we are very impatient, and due to my busy schedule, I was not able to record video for last 1 week to onward. So whenever I got spare time, I searched on the YouTube, and I come across the one channel. That girl belong from India, and she she's also on, I think so, upper beginner or intermediate level English. You record yourself every single day and upload on the channel. So I really like that her video. I like her way of talking, and she just mentioned, I am learning this language. So I think I also do the same thing. Like, I practice with own self, like randomly think and just upload it. Okay. Because I have a very busy schedule. Due to busy schedule, I was not able to record video for 1 week. But whenever I got time, I feel very guilty inside, because if I am not recording video, I am not practicing English. But speaking fluently with accuracy is my dream. I really want to be a good speaker, and I know it will take a lot of time, but also consistent practice. I just thought I try to record video for just 2 to 3 minutes on the daily basis, and I will talk about on the random things, what I am doing and what's happening around me. Why I was not recording video for last 1 week? Because I joined one private school. So in the early morning, after household chores, I went to the school. When I returned, I done my kettle work, and then I give tuition to the students, and the evening I spend time with my own children. So that is the reason. But I am really want to improve my English, and I think so I just focus on this um communication skill. I just improve in the way I record myself. So hopefully I record my video every single day, or maybe that's way I improve my English. So see you in the next video. Inshallah, take care and stay blessed.